Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer5. So the first question is, suppose you have a player and a bunch of enemies and you only want the collision to happen between player and enemies, and there should not be any collision between enemies and enemies. How would you solve this problem? Okay, so I would solve this problem using collision matrix of Unity. So it may be 2D or 3D, it's okay, it doesn't matter. So what we need to do is we need to create two layers, one for player and one for enemy. So every enemy in the game would be on that layer and players would be on the first layer. So then what we do, we need to do is we need to go to edit project settings, and then there is a physics or physics 2D settings. So inside that there is a section of collision matrix, so we can disable the collision between enemy and enemy layer. So any object on that enemy layer will not collide with each other. Okay, and that is it. So we have disabled the collision between enemies and enemies. And the second question is, what is rigid body and what are the different types of rigid body? Okay, so rigid body is just a component of Unity that enables the physics physics on a game object. So for example, if I want an player or maybe some other object to have an physics on it, then what I need to do is add colliders of some kind, and then the rigid body. So rigid body would allow me to add force to that object, or it enables the gravity on that object, or then that object would be able to detect the collisions with other objects. So these are the types of things that rigid body can do. So it is just a component that allows us to add physics on an object. Okay, then what are the different types of rigid body? There are three different types of rigid body: dynamic, kinematic and static. So